Hi and welcome to this short video. We're making specifically for people who are going to be borrowing the Checkmate 4 gas analyzer as a loan machine when they'll have an existing Checkmate 3 instrument. This may be a scenario where you're sending in your Checkmate 3 for calibration or service, and we'll send you this new one for a loan machine to use in the meantime. So a few key differences: no start buttons or any buttons on the screen. Everything is touchscreen on this side. The sampling hose configuration and loading is slightly different. So for this one, I'll turn it this way so you can see you've got, this is the sampling hose, and this is how you detach it from this side, and this is where you find the sampling filter, and all external. However, on this one you have the sampling hose over here, which sits in here, and the filter is actually sitting at the end of this one instead of next to the machine on this side. The attachment is at the back. The other key thing about this device is got the sensor and pumps all in this removable module. So when you're using the loan machine, no need to, but keep away from this knob loosening it, because this will become loose. This is where the sensor and the pumps sit as well. On and off button is at the back. Now, to use this machine is quite simple. We shall load a program called Manual Spot. So if you're just using it as a gas analyzer or with pressure reading on it, it'll be preloaded. So to use it, simply it'll start in this menu. You click on Measure. When this screen comes up, you'll see Manual Spot. You'll see the gas is selected to be displayed in the reading. So oxygen, carbon dioxide, balance, and millibar pressure in the sample hose. So you simply just press the green button to start the reading. Of course, on this side, you'll press the red button to start the reading. And obviously, you need the needle in the pack through the septum before you do that. So we'll put both of them in at the same time, like this, into bags. We've just roughly pre-flushed this with some nitrogen gas, and I think one has a bit of CO2. So if I press read on that side, press read on this side, you'll hear the pump quite well in this one, whereas this one is quite silent. And you'll see the reading is a bit similar. So this one is the repeatability and accuracy on this is obviously slightly better than this one, but the advantages here is the sample configuration in terms of the pump, as well as the displayed results in the data. But just to use it, that's all you need to do. So we'll do that again on this side, selecting a different product. So if I have a different product on this side, I'll go and click the middle button, select say beef jerky, which displays all three gases. On this one, I'll go to workflow, products, select as active, I'll click the can, and then I'll put, once it's displayed in this way, it's ready to go. So I'll click read, and I'll click read it on this side as well. Finish in a second. Excellent. Okay, so you can see both are reading very close. This one is reading slightly lower because it's slightly more accurate, but there it is. That's all you need to do to get started. Okay, any questions, welcome. Give us a call or send us an email. Thank you. When you first receive the instrument, you'll find the sample hose separate in a Ziploc bag, and the holder separate. So the holder is magnetic. Basically, these two circle positionings fit in the circle here. So when you put it on there, it'll just grab itself and stick on. And then to fit the sample hose, obviously this doesn't have the needle. You need to put the needle on there. To fit the sample hose, you go to the back. You take this red cover off, and this is just a push fitting in here. So you just push it in like that. Make sure it's tight, and then that's it. Put a needle on there, and away you go. And so when it's connected, you're all good to go. Just wait for it to warm up for 10 minutes, and then you'll be ready to go. If you have any questions, please feel free. We have details, Mad Solutions website on the top of the machines. There's a sticker right there, you can see. And give us a call, send us an email. More than happy to help. Yeah, and enjoy the new device from Dansensor, the Checkmate 4.